Presenting the 2009 Toyota Camry. It's powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, an alarm system, independent suspension, brake assist, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, automatic climate control, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, cruise control, a trip computer. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."